Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video guys, we are going to be making an easy and tasty zucchini fritters. They are a great appetizer or as a side dish, pan fried. They have super crispy edges and delicious. Let's get right into the video. First things first, we're gonna cut off the ends of the zucchini. Then we're gonna use a box grater to shred the zucchini. With this recipe guys, we are not going to remove any moisture from the zucchini. Next, once all the zucchini is shredded, we're gonna go ahead and add beaten eggs. We're gonna also add in salt. We're gonna add paprika. We're gonna add garlic powder, followed by black pepper. We're gonna also add in raisin flour. Flour helps to thicken the mixture up while soaking up some liquids. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix everything together until well combined. The zucchini mixture looks good and it's ready to be fried. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat oil, then add the zucchini batter and cook each side for 3 minutes. If you see your fritters browning quickly, reduce the heat to medium-low. After 3 minutes, your zucchini should be slightly brown. Flip them and cook them on the other side for another 3 minutes. Once they are ready, remove them and place them on a cooling rack, or you can place them on a plate lined with paper towels. Cook the remaining zucchini batter until all is used up. Once done, we're gonna serve them on a platter and they are ready to be served. These fritters are best cooked and eaten right away guys. They make great leftovers stored in the fridge for up to 1 week. I like to serve my zucchini fritters with garlic lemon sour cream dipping sauce and diced tomatoes. They pair very well guys. You need to try it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, subscribe and hit the bell just right beside the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like the video, comment down below if you are new here. Welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honey.